if you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Xbox Series X. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 2. Test network connection. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and then choose Network Settings. From there, run a network test to ensure your console is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. Step 3. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Wait a moment, then turn it back on to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 4. Update console software. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Updates. Ensure your console is running the latest software version, as updates often include fixes for multiplayer issues. Step 5. Check NAT type. In the network settings, check your NAT type. If it is set to strict or moderate, it may limit your multiplayer connectivity. Consider adjusting your router settings to achieve an open NAT type for better performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve multiplayer issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.